Hello, students. If I thought Module 4, Topic 1 was a beast, I'm not even close to being done. So let's start into the next set of assignments that I will be talking about, which in this case is your daily works, which I will kind of give you a little bit more guidance on than the major grades, because the major grades are mostly supposed to be done on your own. Even during the lunch tutorials, we do go over this together. So there are classmates that can help you with these assignments if they've already done them before. I would suggest if you are having trouble with your math work up until this point, you need to start deciding who is going to be your study buddy, which means they are weak in a concept or with a concept that you are. Sorry, let me rephrase that. That you get a study buddy that is strong with a concept that you are weak with. And y'all study together so that you can get a better understanding so you do not fall behind in your education. Because the one thing that is hard for a teacher to watch is a student get moved on. They don't know what they need to know, and then they struggle again for another year and get further behind. So please find that study buddy that can help you. If it's your friend, then it's your friend. If it's not your friend, then find someone who's not your friend then that can help you with your learning. Because obviously, your friends may be the same as you. They don't understand it either. So find somebody that does and let them know what's going on. Now, after all that tangent, this assignment has nothing to do with that. But let's get into it. I'm not reading all this. So it is your job to read this. So this is kind of how these videos are going to go. You need to read, okay? You're going to have to read. You're going to have to read. The why behind schools. This was the first assignment around one of the first assignments we did when y'all came back from break. Christmas break, as a matter of fact. So, most sought after skills by companies. So I really just simplified this because it had a lot more detail in it. If you want to read the original, it is in the third 9 weeks folder if it's still open, because I believe that assignment is closed, and unless you did it, you can't open it to read what it actually said. So what you are going to do for this assignment, if you need directions, you are going to read each and every one of these skills, and I give a summary at the end of the skill to tell you what it means and what you should be doing for it, how it looks. So after reading all these skills, I think there's one more. Yeah, here's the end of it. After reading all those skills, you are going to answer 2 questions. I'm not going to read the questions, you are. So, question number 1. Now, when you're answering these questions, you can either write the letters or the actual skill. So I will accept A and whatever other letter, because you have to choose 2. I will accept the letters if you don't want to write the actual word. So if you want to just write A and B, I'm cool with letters. If you want to write the actual skill, like critical thinking or whatever else you want to choose, I'm cool with that too. Just make sure you actually answer the questions. Answer the questions, no more, no less. And they are based on the skills. If you give me anything outside that, you will get a 0 and you only get 2 attempts. Now, with that being said, this is an assignment that you are to put into Schoology. So please do not email me your skill list because it needs to be in Schoology. So if you have a laptop, do it at home. If you don't, then when you get to school, if you have time in class, or if you need me to come get you early in the morning or during lunch, then let's do that so we can get this work done. Okay? So that is it for this video. Simply read over these skills, answer these 2 questions, and you will be done. Bye.